back to class 5th social science chapter 2nd, our planet earth. Students, in this chapter we have already completed some topics of this chapter, isn't it children? We have already completed some topics of this chapter in our last class. So therefore let us memorize once again what we have discussed in our last class. Students, we have already completed in this chapter the topic. The first topic is why earth is so beautiful. We have discussed why earth is so beautiful, because the earth has the different landforms. So that's why earth is so beautiful and colorful. So in this way we have discussed, and after that we have also discussed about the continents and oceans of the earth. So what is continent? Continent is a large area of land. Continent is a large area of land which consists of several countries. So in this way we have discussed about the continent, and also what is a ocean. Ocean, what is a ocean, children? So oceans are nothing but, the oceans are large area of water between the continents. Large area of water between the continents and which are very big in size. So they are called oceans. So in this way we have discussed about the continents, about the oceans in our last class. So therefore in today's class we shall discuss about the next topic, that is maps. Yes children, today's topic is maps. In today's class, let's begin to understand today's topic, maps. Students, as we know that the model of the earth is globe, and the model of the earth is globe, and it is a spherical representation of earth. The globe is a spherical representation of the earth. Students, but we can't see both sides of the earth at the same time on the globe. Isn't it children? It is possible if we want to see the both side of the earth on the globe at the same time, it is impossible. So therefore we have another options to see the both side of the earth at a time. So which is the another options? So that is the maps. They are the maps. In the maps we can see the both side of the earth at a time. Why? Because the maps are the flat form of the globe. The maps are in the side, the maps are there in which shape? Flat shape. That means it is the form of globe. The map is nothing but it is a flat form of the globe. Isn't it children? Map is nothing but it is a flat form of the globe. So therefore we can see easily both sides of the earth at the same time through the maps only. So therefore let's begin to understand detail about the map. So a map is a representation. Yes children, map is a representation or drawing of the earth surface. Map is a representation or drawing of the earth surface or part of it. Not always earth surface, sometimes part of it, and drawn on flat surface according to scale. So this is the definition of the map. I repeat once again children, you will see here. Map is a representation or drawing of the earth surface or part of it drawn on flat surface according to scale. That means here, if we see the map of world map, then we can say it is the map of full earth surface. If we see the map of India or Karnataka, then we can say it is a part of it. That is a part of the earth surface map. one of the part, because India is one of the part of the earth. So in this way the maps are always in which side? Flat surface and according to scale. So this is the meaning and definition of the map, children. And map is represented in two-dimensional, children. Remember this, the map is represented in two-dimensional. So that means what is here dimensional? Dimensional is nothing but having measurement in one or more direction, like length, height and width. So that means here the map is represented in two-dimensional, that is height and width. But globe is represented in the three-dimensional. Remember this, globe is represented in which dimension, children? How much dimension? Three-dimensional globe. Like the height, length, height and width. But the map is always represented in two-dimensional. You remember this, children. And the maps, they may show the visible and non-visible features on the earth's surface. How it is, children? Maps, they may show the visible features like lakes, rivers, building and forest and roads, etc. So therefore map, they may show visible features on the earth's surface, and also the map, they may show the things which cannot be seen on the earth's surface, like temperature and the border between the country or state. Isn't it, children? You can see the through the map border between the country and the state, and also we can see the temperature of the specific the region through the maps. And the what is the atlas here? Atlas is nothing but, children, the collection of many maps. The book that has collection of many maps is called an atlas. What is atlas, children? Let me repeat once again. The book that has collection of maps, so is called as an atlas. You have seen the atlas books, and that book contains the many different types of the physical map or political map that contain different types of the map, and that book is called as a atlas. And also you can take example of the Google map in your mobile, children. If we want to see the exact location of Shanbasheshwara temple in Gulbarga from our school, then if we see the exact location of Shanbasheshwara temple from our school, we get immediate exact location of the Shanbasheshwara temple from our school through the Google map, children. So in this way maps are very useful to us. Therefore in this way the maps also act as guide in places which we never visited before, and also these are helps to us locate the places and physical landforms like rivers, lakes and mountains, and also other tourist places. So in this way maps are very useful to us. The next topic, types of maps. Students, according to our textbook, there are two types of the maps are there. They are mainly physical map and second one is political map. So what is physical map? Physical map is nothing but map that shows the physical features on the earth, like landforms, lakes, rivers, oceans and continent, etc. That means, I repeat once again, what is a physical map? Physical map is nothing but map that shows physical features on the earth like rivers, lakes, ocean, continent and different landforms is called as a physical map. And after that, what is political map? Political map is nothing but map that shows the borders of the country, borders or boundaries of the country or state, and also their capitals is called as a political map. What is political map? Map that shows the boundaries or borders of the country and their capitals is called political map. So these are the two types of the maps. Here I am going to show to you one of the type of the map, that is political map. Because you already know that there are two types of the maps are there. One is physical map, another one is political map. Now I am going to show to you here one of the political map, that is world political map. Children, this is the world political map. You have seen this map. So this is the world political map, and through this map you can find the borders of the countries, because this is a world map. So in this map there are you can see the many countries and their borders and the countries, their capital also you can find through this map. So this is the example of one of the political map, and I hope you all are understood today's topic about the map. Now you need to copy the today homework question, children. These are the two questions I wrote here. You need to copy these two questions. The first question is, what is a map and how it useful to us? This is the first question. And second question is, name and explain the two types of maps. I already explained about the two types of the maps. So these are the two homework questions of today's class. And I hope you all are understood about the map in detail, children. And in our next class, we will let's begin to understand about the next topic of maps. They are the how to read map and color on the map and signs and symbols of map. These all topics we will let's begin to understand in our next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.